to a Westival, and we talked about neutral connection.
Okay, so we do some exercise first, and what is neutral connection is when it's physical connection is not stretch or compression. So it's been just we be in contact. So the first one we saw in Westival is in the cross position with my left and her right in neutral. It's no tension or compression right here. It's relaxed. We hold ourselves. Okay. So here for some exercise we did raise to raise, and we go up and down and stopping each time before changing the direction. Because if I change too fast, she will not have to follow me because it's not compression. We do side to side, make some rotation with arm, and be a little bit more contemporary and lead with our body and other arm and propose something and follow you something else. Yes? So that was the exercise. Now for the movement we saw was this one here, 5, 6, here we go, and do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We saw here for the leaders, the two key is to come back from on the fourth to the partner with bending the knee phobia to go under our arm, which is a small follow. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Holding in it with the head. 5, 6. There we go. And do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I like this one. It's going to be dramatic. Okay.
And the key for followers is remembering wherever the leader places your hand, try to keep it there. Right? Whether it's in space or whether it's on his body. Okay.
5, 6. There we go. And do 1, 2, 3, and stop. We saw the one. We keep going, walking down the sock. For that on the 4, I do not come back. I stay there and I walk down the slope with her. She had decided to do an anchor. Yeah. And the last one we saw was this one here. 5, 6. There we go. And do 1, 2, 3, and 4. And do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here's the key again, is get out of the way from my partner. I must stay on the way. She can come. So here my 1, I have to be back diagonal right here. 5, 6, there we go. And do 1, 2, I'm collecting. 3, and 4, working in place. I'm sure she's there and steady before I'm going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always right.